Oh man, let's go. Let's go. What's up? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I hope y'all are having another good day, bringing y'all some content. So today we got a good day. Y'all already know what's going on. Oh, upside down. Oh no, it's not. It's just reverse, whatever. Anyways, you guys know what we doing. We putting this on today. If you watched the last video, which I highly encourage you to watch, I'll put it up here in the top of the corner of the video so you can check it out. We installed the Banks pedal monster, which was an awesome video. Excellent feedback. Good. It was a good mod. At the very end of that video, there was a sneak peek and a teaser for this getting done. Some people commented, and I saw who commented, and I thank you because you watched to the end of the video. But with that being said, this is a very simple 30-minute job, in and out. You know, I did order this from Royally Customs. It's not sponsored. They didn't send it to me. I paid full price for it. It was about a month wait because with this is custom fab, built to order. So I waited about a month. I think I ordered it beginning of February and it showed up beginning of March, first week of March. So super simple. It's going to clean up the engine bay. I'm not going to sit here and say it has performance gains and all this crazy stuff, but nonetheless it's going to do something. So what we're going to do now, first things first, you're going to hit the like button. You're going to drop a comment at the end of this video or at any point in this video to let me know what you think, and then you're going to make sure you subscribe to the channel. But after that, what we're going to do is we're going to go out here. I'm going to start draining the coolant. I'm only going to drain it enough to where I can squeeze the coolant line, upper coolant line, and I can't feel any coolant in there. There's no pressure. Then I'm going to go ahead and unclamp it, take it out, put this one in, clamp her up, top off the coolant, and easy day. All right, so let's go ahead and get this video started. And just like that, we are done. Quality control, baby. This is how we do it. Doesn't look like much from there, but when you come over here, illusion cherry. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. I'm still up in the air. Eventually we'll work our way to a billet valve cover. But this looks good, man. So now I'm gonna crank her up, make sure she ain't leaking, and then we should be good. All right. Figure I'd give y'all a little drive through with the truck. Yeah. That early morning cold start sound, I tell you, man, that thing, it sounds good. Yeah. It came out good. I really like it. It took all of 15 minutes to swap that out. I just drained the coolant. Cracked the coolant. I drained the coolant just enough to where I could squeeze the hose and there was no fluid in there, and then I just disconnected the elbows and she was good to go. So easy job. Ooh, look at that fit dually. Easy job enough. Again, I paid for this out of pocket. I think it was like 200 bucks. If you guys are interested, I can put a link down below from Royally Custom Fab. And I waited about a month, like I said, just to kind of clean up the engine bay. That's all this was doing. Nothing crazy, you guys, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, you guys know I always want to try to get you guys content and show you guys stuff. At first, I know some people debate that you can delete. I won't say debate, but it's a proven thing. You can delete the auxiliary radiator on these. I think it's from 13 to 15 Rams. They have a secondary radiator. You can delete those. A lot of people do. I know my boy Eric did. I just didn't feel like doing it on this truck. That doesn't have any issues or anything, so you know what I'm saying. It wasn't a big deal to me. Get out here and let y'all get y'all a little peek of the truck and her excellence. I'm about to go to the gym. I got all my gear and stuff inside the truck. Woo! This looks like a familiar spot where I was before. Trying to get that, see if we can get some sunlight on that pipe. Cause I know by my house it's real dark in there. This sound never gets old, man, I'll tell you. Oh wow. When that sun hits, check that flake out. No leaks, baby. Got the turbo way down there. I know it's, even though it's hard to see. Turbo's powder coated, Illusion Cherry. Rocker box is Illusion Cherry. So Illusion Cherry is going to be under the hood. But we got a slightly different color. You guys, some of y'all might have seen it already for outside on the truck, the exterior, which we should be getting that back soon from Powder Coat. Basically, they went ahead and ordered the powder from Prismatic, but Prismatic didn't have it in stock or ready, so they're basically making the powder now. So they got to add the flake to it, and then once they make it, they'll send it to my powder guy. And then my powder guy is gonna powder my diff cover, and then we'll slap that on, and then that's gonna look sick as heck. But with that being said, you guys, I don't want to drag this video out. Thank you guys for joining. Until next time, take care, be safe, peace out. Make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.